Hi there, this is a presentation from Stocks2boom.com concerning trading strategy. As depicted in this flowchart, this is the trading strategy employed by Stocks2boom.com. And what I'm going to do is step through each one of these processes to give you a brief outline of what we're trying to achieve. At the start of the process, we have investors, brokers and others submitting recommendations and consensus rating for the stocks. From this mix we prepare a stock list, and this is published regularly. You'll see down here we are indicating the consensus rating, and this is a rating from 1 to 5, where 1 is a strong buy, to 2 which is a moderate buy, to 3 which is a hold status. We have comments associated with the stocks as well. Technical indicators, if they're apparent at all. We look at the earnings per share and price earnings ratios, the sector that this particular stock resides in, the source of the recommendation, whether it's come from a broker or it's been developed from someone else, and the overall recommendation, whether it's presently in the stock portfolio to be or stock list to be considered as a watch or a buy or a sell recommendation, and otherwise we just have a ticker and a date. The next part of the process is a technical analysis review of these stocks from the list, and we go a bit further than that when we generate recommended stocks from technical software. We look further at the price against target, a market view, their sectorial view in the market, and more of a global view, fundamentals, consensus ratings, and price drivers that are apparent there for driving the stock. Next, from this we develop a stock list and publish that. Stock picks are recommended and published also. So when we generate our stock list, we're indicating stocks here with a status of W as a watch. Again, this has been derived from our stock list, but what's apparent is the date, and this will be most up-to-date information. And further afield, we'll actually go into recommending stocks. And this will put a discussion as to why we consider this stock to be a good selection, an opinion, and a consensus. Next part of the process is more into the risk management of the stocks in our portfolio, where we're continuously reviewing stocks that are in our portfolio, whether a stock loss has been triggered, or a technical analysis indicating that something's changed out there with that stock and we need to bring attention to it. If this is so, we'll revisit the fundamentals, the consensus ratings, and derive whether we really need to sell that stock. Okay, that's basically an overall of the concept employed for the trading strategy. Very interested in any comments and improvements that you've got to make to the process. It's by no means complete. Everything can be improved, and we're keen to hear from you on that. Thanks a lot for your time. Cheers.